Today, I call forth all deities of the highest order that represent Christ consciousness, oneness, and truth. As I open up my heart, my mind, my pineal gland, my solar plexus, my sacred womb space, my throat chakra, my crown chakra, my hands, my feet, everything, as I open up to receive, today I declare that I am free of the need to worry, of the need to be concerned, of the need to be stressed out regarding earth life and even my afterlife. I now choose to be free of the past, of the burdens of my ancestors and my culture. I choose to be free of all the ancient cultural teachings that do not apply to myself and my soul. I choose now to be uplifted into the higher dimensions of consciousness of that which I am, away from the turmoil of the earth, my family, and all that binds humanity. And from the upper room of my being, I now declare that I am free, that I am free, that I am free of all burdens, that I am free of all neediness and lack and misbeliefs. As I now choose to be one with my Father, Mother, God, with the highest light, with the source of creation. And I now accept the help of the angelics and the masters that are part of my soul pathway, my ascension, my spiritual work. And I now choose to let go of all ego relating to relationships, as I now choose to see my relationships from a very deep soul perspective, from the eye of my soul, from the eye of my I am, from the eye of God. As I now release and let go of all pain from all relationships misunderstood, as I come into the awareness that all is divine, and I redeclare and reaffirm my belief in self. That I am divine creator manifesting in form. And so it is. And I take a deep breath to let all of the cells in my body know this truth. I am. I am. I am.